Show me how. All right, I want to do a quick follow-up on what opening that Lentil provided. And this is the final, not the final, but this is the final look. There's some touch-ups, obviously, to paint the grout joints and whatnot, and that'll be done when the whole house is painted. Had poured that little porch area. And this is what we started out with. It was just like this, okay, in the very beginning, which I didn't capture the very beginning with the doors. Those were the doors. They were double doors, same concept. So this was the lintel that was existing at 3/16, and they had tack welded on this square tubing. Okay, and this is what it looked like when we started. And you can see this lintel has a little bit of the inertia, you know, it's bending. Okay, but it's still holding really well. So this is what we started with. This, okay, and that, meaning just dirt. Okay, and we ended up with, as you're familiar with the other video, and you should watch it, we ended up with this setup. And another product complements a Habitat for Humanity. Look at the view. So double doors that were already cased, that had the casing on it, which is actually a brick mold, and the seal, which really makes everything real nice. So I just put on these leftover door locks temporarily, and this is what she looks like. Doors came out fantastic for pre-hung, because when you deal with pre-hung doors, you're a little bit limited because you didn't hang them. So I'll shim down here just a little bit, and you know what? I am just gonna cement it. Obviously, you could put backer rod in here. That's that gray rod that's foam. You shove in. On one of my other videos, I show it. You could use spray foam, or in this case, I think I'm just gonna mortar it in. And it looked like it was always there. So this is it. And then obviously lock up here. I'm not sure what's holding this bottom, but I will address that. And this door came out great. And it was a bargain and a half. All right, so I did want you to see the final product. The top might look like it's bowing up, but it's not. This was the original opening, because the blocks are not 100% level from movement or whatnot. And then this will be all scrubbed off here. This could all be scrubbed off, cleaned up just a little bit more. And I'll clean that up along with this. Now that it's dried, I'll have to wire brush it. When I got back from a chore, my assistant didn't quite detail it too much, but that's okay, because it just came out fantastic. I'm real happy with this, and this will be a little studio with 9-foot ceilings. All right, show me how. Just showed you the finished product on a lintel. Thank you for watching, subscribing, following.